Number 1.
1992 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,900, well-preserved classic pickup, showcasing its original burgundy exterior and matching burgundy interior. With only 61,000 original miles, this truck has been exceptionally well maintained, both mechanically and cosmetically. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and dependable power. Inside, the Sierra features comfortable cloth seats, along with power locks and power windows that add convenience to its classic design. As a rear-wheel drive truck, it retains the traditional driving feel that enthusiasts appreciate. Every detail reflects careful ownership and attention over the years, making the Sierra 1500 a standout example of early 90s GMC craftsmanship, a clean, original truck that's as reliable as it is visually striking.
Number 2.
1979 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. It has approximately 77,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in gray with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. It comes with a bonded title and is powered by a 350 V8 engine, delivering strong and reliable performance. Formerly used as a farm truck, it shows some dents and cosmetic wear, but overall, the body remains solid and sturdy. The blower motor has been replaced, ensuring the fan and heater function properly, though the AC is currently inoperative. The original radio still works, and the tires are about 1 year old. All lights, turn signals, the fuel gauge, and the speedometer are operational, while some of the other gauges are not. In 2009, at around 76,000 miles, several components were replaced, including the power steering hose, alternator, belt, and front brakes, as documented by a receipt.
Number 3.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,800. This truck shows 132,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a striking burgundy exterior complemented by a matching burgundy interior, this truck has been very well cared for over the years. It runs great, starts easily, and delivers strong performance both on the road and around town. All power options are fully operational, including power windows, locks, and mirrors, while the air conditioning blows cold, making it a comfortable ride in any weather. The body is completely rust-free, and the overall condition inside and out is exceptionally clean.
Number 4.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500. It features a striking green exterior paired with a brown interior, running on a 5.7L gasoline engine with 4x4 capability. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives perfectly. The engine is smooth, the transmission shifts properly, and both the air conditioning and heating systems work as they should. The AC blows cold while the heat blows hot. The exterior paint remains in excellent condition, showing only a few minor scratches and dings that are typical for its age. Inside, the cabin is impressively clean and well maintained, though the headliner does sag slightly and has a couple of small tears. Like many classic trucks, it does have a minor oil leak. But nothing out of the ordinary for a vehicle of this vintage. This Sierra is equipped with power windows, power locks, and cruise control, providing comfort and convenience. A new AC compressor was installed this year, ensuring reliable climate control. It comes with a clean California title and has recently passed smog inspection, making it fully road-ready and compliant.
Number 5.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. It currently shows 311,000 miles on the odometer, but the engine has been replaced, with the newer one having approximately 117,000 miles of use, ensuring smoother performance and better dependability for years to come. Power is delivered through the NV4500 5-speed manual transmission, known for its strength and durability, giving drivers a solid mechanical feel and excellent control, perfect for towing, hauling, or any heavy-duty application. The truck runs on gasoline, providing consistent power delivery, and features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a clean, practical, and timeless look.
Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission, featuring a white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and timeless look. It's powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine that is not the original, but still runs and drives great, showing plenty of strength and reliability on the road.
The odometer displays 380,000 miles, though the exact mileage on the current engine remains unknown. Inside, the truck offers power windows and power locks, though the locks are currently non-functional and have not been inspected.
The air conditioning and heating systems are both working, although the fan operates a bit weakly. A set of brand new headlights is included with the truck but has yet to be installed, offering a nice upgrade opportunity for the next owner.
Number 7.
1979 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,000. This truck is a strong-running, well-built classic originally customized by Spicer 4x4 in the 1990s. Finished in red with a black interior, it features a 1972 440 V8 engine with a Mopar 284/484 cam, paired to a granny low 4-speed manual transmission and a new clutch kit. The truck has been short bed swapped with 3/4 ton running gear, riding on new buckshot 35-inch tires with Dana 60 rear and Dana 44 front axles, worn locking hubs, and 4.10 gears. It's equipped with a working worn winch, aftermarket front and rear bumpers, aftermarket gauges, and a GPS speedometer, while the factory AC system remains intact, featuring a 1992 model hood and grille and backed by a clean title. This Dodge Ram offers vintage toughness with reliable performance, ready for both on-road and off-road adventures.
Number 8.
1988 GMC 1500, price $8,500, shows 116,000 miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine. Its classic white exterior and blue interior give it a clean, vintage look. Recently, it has received extensive maintenance, including new rotors and pads, a fresh alternator, brake booster, water pump, belt, spark plugs, wires, distributor, and ignition coil. Every AC component except the evaporator has been replaced. Virtually everything that could wear out has been renewed. The truck also features an aftermarket tachometer and temperature gauge for a sporty touch. It's been lowered 4/6 inches using spindles and springs up front and an axle flip in the rear, supported by a fully welded underbed notch.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. This truck shows around 200,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission and gasoline engine. It features a white exterior with a clean red interior, giving it a classic and bold look. The truck has a rebuilt transmission with a new torque converter, along with new tie rods, bumper, taillights, and a toolbox. Inside, it's equipped with an 8.5-inch radio screen, new speakers all around, and a custom 3-amp wooden display behind the rear seat. The tweeter surround sound system kill switch, and truck kill switch add both convenience and security. While it runs and drives, it needs an alignment, has some dents, the check engine light is on, and the AC isn't working.
It also requires new headlights and a grille. Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 279,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It runs and drives great, with the mechanical components in solid condition.
The 4x4 system functions perfectly, ensuring strong performance on and off the road.
The only noted issue is that the air conditioning is not working, though the registration tags are valid until July 2026. The truck has a bright yellow exterior paired with a matching interior, giving it a bold, classic look. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, this Chevy 1500 offers the dependable performance typical of late-80s pickups. While the paint and bodywork could use some attention, it remains a mechanically sound and capable truck.